Hey guys, Rosie to the here, and today I'm gonna be doing a trade with Pink Splash Kitty. I've been trying to get her her black short wrists, and I've been trading her some stuff: a furry hat, butterfly mask, soon machine, and a lava glove. And she's asking her buddies if they're fair, and one of them said yes, and she said if one more says yes, then it's a deal. So I really hope her friend says yes. I don't know if it is a fair trade or not, but yeah. Let's see. I have to change it. So this is I actually wrote her name down in case if she goes somewhere, and yeah. So yeah. Please. Okay. So she's waiting for an answer. Go ahead and scary mask and stuff. Okay. So let's just wait until she has an answer. He's taking. Oh well. I know. I know how it tastes. Okay, so let's just wait. I guess I'll pause the video here until she says something. Hey guys, so I'm back, and her friend said that she doesn't know, and I asked her if she wants to ask another buddy. So let's see. Could you change the butterfly to? Okay, so I think okay, so I don't know. I don't think we're gonna do the trade. Okay, so I don't know what we're gonna do. No, okay, I don't know what to change it into. So maybe more. I Oh, sorry if this video is kind of boring, but alright, let me show her the one. This one. I kind of love this one so much though, but I guess I'll give it up. Okay. Okay. So, let me just put on. Oh wow. Oh, I really want a neon bow, but I don't want it for my spike. Alright, hold on. I want to know if there's any warns on any animal that's like blue. No, okay. And can you change the fur out to clean warn? I don't know, because I don't use my yellow Okay, so this is kind of pretty tough, guys. Okay, it would be fair, I know, but, I'll use this one a lot. Hold on. Okay. Okay, so I'll put some items that she can pick off. Should I trade my top hat? I don't know, I really love my top hat. Um, let's see, do I have anything good? Would do you know how about a rare wood fence? Wood fence to replace the furry hat? No. Alright, so I'll pause the video here until I find out what's happening. Okay guys, so she told me to put all the good bettas I have on trade so she can pick off what's good. So I'll put the rare wood fence there. Let's see. The thing is that I don't really have that much bettas. Large painted pots. I guess rose bush. I have loads of these things. Not rose bush, but yeah. You know what I mean? That, I guess I'll put a gold brick on there. And, cherry tree. I really like my cherry tree, but I guess I have to trade it away. It's all worth it, I guess. Oh yeah, by the way, oh no, I already traded something away. Okay, that, I guess, and then the sword. Let's see. Blanket. Let's see. The thing is, guys, I don't really have that much bettas. That's not on stores. Sorry if you hear my dog, by the way. And, I guess we can put these in here. Let's see. Hold on, okay. Let's see what I also have. Sorry if this video is really long, but I want to get everything. I'll pause the video here, guys. Okay, guys, so she said that she wants my fox hat, so okay. Okay, I'll trade. Okay, I'll trade. Okay, so what I'm trading her is my lava glove, sewing machine. I don't care if this is over trade. I worked so hard. Hold on, where's my fox hat? Fox hat and wait, what were the items okay, so I'm gonna get her short black wrist. Okay. Oh no! Are you kidding me? Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, guys. So I'm back, and I'm about to trade her. Bob. Okay. So what were the items? Okay. So I'm gonna trade her, and hopefully I get a short black. Ka. Oh dear Lord. Okay. Okay, so you wanted lava glove, fox hat, sewing machine, and what else? Was it Are you kidding me? Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I'm about to trade her now. So the last item she wanted was what's it called? Blue short one, I guess. Okay. This and then goodbye my worn. This is my first ever worn I had, so this was really good memories, but I guess I'm gonna have to get this for it. Thank you. OMG, thank you. Do you have pink epic plushies thing? Oh. No, I don't know what that is. Oh, thanks so much. Thanks so much. Oh man, her buddy lost his food. See you around, Jamon. See you around. Never mind. Okay, so the thing is that let's see. Okay, hold on. Come. Okay, guys, so I got a short black wrist, and I'm really happy. But the thing is that my otter is bold. Well, not bold. I'll have this adorable top hat on it. Ugh, so cute. And by the way, when I said when I got the thing, that was a fake one, by the way. I was just really happy. So anyway, sorry my dog's whining so much. So thanks for watching, guys. So what? Whoa. So what I got was a short black wrist. So I'm really happy. So yeah. Alright. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you later. Bye.